show you how to set up replacements in the Pages app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here we just go into the top left corner, click on Pages, then we click on Settings, and here in Settings we have auto correction. We click on this, and here we have replacement, and here we have a few examples. Here we have the thing that we replace, and here we have what we replace it with. So for example, for the copyright symbol, we don't have to search for it. We just type in this, and then that's going to be replaced like that. So let's see if it works like this, or maybe just like this. No. Well, it should work. For some reason it doesn't work right now. Yeah, you have to tick that box. But that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.